Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I am going to show you how can you buy stocks into your interactive brokers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to buy these stocks, just simply open your interactive brokers application, and after opening the application, you will see this magnifier icon as the explore page into the bottom right corner. Click into that, and into explore page you will see this stock option into here, and into here you can choose all of these stocks that you want which are available into interactive brokers. Now you can select top movers, top ESGs and IPOs. Just simply select the option which you are searching for, which will be profitable for you, and then choose the option. I'm selecting this option just for example, and after that you can buy and sell it from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.